All right, here we are. The Fighting Felines of the cul-de-sac, sponsored by Lovesome Treats, as always, heard around the world. Today we take you to somewhere about here, and we go to the Red Roof Pavilion. Is where the Olympics are being held. Miss Sapphire is just about to get ready to perform. We're announcing the call of the cats as the nocturnal point has begun. And we're in the early stage of eve. And here comes yet another one, Pancho. Pancho was the spectacular one the last time, and now he's coming up. Perhaps he's looking at those treats. Most likely that is the case. Pancho and